What's up, guys? First time in a long time. We are currently on the Columbia Gorge trying to find a camping spot because we went to one spot and it's day use only now. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna fish. That's what we're gonna do. And we got PDX butthead over there, and we're gonna try to get a couple smallies. Well, I'm not even filming you and you're twerking. Come on.
Show us your hook set.
Show us your ass. All right, update.
Well, everywhere does not like camping for us. So we're driving over to check one more spot, and we found a nice little pull off, nice juicy little lake. So we're gonna pull off there real quick and see what it looks like. Hopefully that's our final destination for the evening. Let's get it.
All right, so we found this little pull off the side of this back road, and there's a little, I don't know if it's a flooded pond system or if it's like some kind of pipe that's led water in, but cliffside behind me, got the gorge this way. Just seeing if there's any fish. Have you seen anything? Alright, this is our spot. Not a bad view. Oh, you talking when I'm talking?
Wow. Okay, so that's how it's gonna be, huh? Turf wars.
I win. Big ass beaver in the water. Got him. Yep. We're all on. Smalley.
Oh, that one's probably bigger than mine. Oh, I mean, it's pretty good. That's close.
Nothing to write home about, but oh,
Skunks off the freaking.
I guess I'll throw him back. Throw him back home. On again. Dude. Oh my God. Oh, it's a big one. Dude, this is a big one. No, it's better. Woo, that one had some jump on it. Biggest one so far. What the hell? What kind of catch is that?
Oh, I hit this guy, dang. Oh.
What kind of catch is that? Mando, you ever catch one like this?
What? Oh my God, what the hell?
I don't know. Where's the hook?
They're out here.
Oh, it's in his mouth.
Yeah, he just wrapped it.
That's a half pounder.
Yeah, man.
All right, guys, so we did not find a camping spot. Well, I guess we found a camping spot, but it's pull out on the side of the road because the place we went was a day use, and now we're out here with the boys listening to some Tenacious D.
Dude.
These two. And we're gonna eat some wieners. But in the morning we're gonna do some smallmouth and maybe a walleye, so see you guys in the morning. Columbia Gorge. Put this little Clio out there last night. on the train tracks, flatten that up. Troy and I shared the back of his truck. A little cozy sleeping last night. Got some good morning shots. Troy got some wild horses up on the ridge, so we're gonna get packed up and we're gonna get fishing. See you guys out there. Troy picked up one. Mando got a good 2.5 pounder. And I'm struggling to get bit as I say that. Ladies and gentlemen, is my very first Columbia River smallmouth. Nothing big, but a beaut, nonetheless. Nonetheless. And off she goes with the train. All right, guys, we are leaving the campsite. We went and fished some smallies in the morning. Caught a few. Mando got a good one. But we are actually going to head out and hit the Dalles on the way over. And see if we can't get a couple sturgeon, a few shakers. Just another species to check off. So Mando killed it today. We'll see what's gonna happen. So see you guys out there. Got him? I got that sit, boys.
On the last Hail Mary cast, boy.
GoPro died, but I was determined to get one of these. I don't know if it's on. What a trip with these guys. Mwah! Back in she goes. Beautiful release.
Hell yeah, bud.
All right, guys, that is the end of our Columbia excursion. We started the trip with McDonald's. We're ending it with McDonald's. It was quite the trip. I haven't seen these guys in a while, and we got some sturgeon, some smallmouth. New place I've never camped before, so shout out to these two to invite me. So don't forget to check them out. Link to their channels in the description. And I hope to catch you and fish in the next video. Burger slap.